Hey guys, today I'm going to show you our Baja Designs rock light mounts. These were designs to fit the standard Baja Designs rock lights and the Baja Designs dome lights. It allows you to simply install the lights onto the bracket and take the bracket and install it anywhere you would like on the frame. So now that we open the package, you'll use the hardware provided from Baja Designs. You're going to want to use the longer bolts. And it goes just like that. So now we're ready to install it on the vehicle. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install these Baja Designs rock light mounts on our 5th Gen 4Runner. As you can see, our 5th Gen 4Runner currently has our Rago Fabrication sliders. And we're going to be using the same holes that we used to install the sliders to mount these rock lights. So one awesome thing about these mounts is it allows you to mount it either way. So depending on your configuration needs, you can mount it from the top, from the bottom. Also, you can flip these. These were designed for you to put a little pressure on them and bend them into the desired location so you don't have to keep them at a straight 90. So I went ahead and removed one of our rock slider bolts right here, and just for demonstration purposes to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to put my bolt inside. And that's it. It's extremely easy. Like I said, you can use any of the rock slider bolts and just remove the bolt, put in your rock slider mount and tighten it up. If you have any questions, just let us know, and you can purchase them on RagoFabrication.com.